My son, you're old enough now. My father's spear holds a certain burden, but you're ready. It carries with it a long line of power. Leonidas. He was Sparta's last true hero.
The magic. You see it in the movies. I wanted to retire from what I was doing, you know? From that line of work. Be a good guy for once, a family man. So, I bought a big house. Came here, put my feet up, and thought I'd be a dad like all the other dads.
My mother made it for me. Said I'd grow into it.
Find your way home. You are free.
We're taking her ashes to the highest peak in the realms.
Ashes?
It was her last wish.
Where must we go?
Peter, it's time to get...
You've worked your whole life to get to moments like these. To the very top of the mountain. You battled through the pain and failure. All just to get to this place.
We must atone!
Something is coming. You can feel it, can't you? You can feel that we are creeping towards the edge. I know that you were out there.
Got some money for me, boy? I've seen your name in our ledger. We got lawmen in 3 different states after us. They chased us from the west, they chased us over the mountains.
Approaching the drop zone. Locked and loaded.
Good to go.
Lighting him up.
Drop zone.
Got some money for me, boy? I've seen your name in our ledger.
Locked and loaded.
We got lawmen in 3 different states after us. They chased us from the west, they chased us over the mountains.
Lighting him up.
Listen to me. When time comes, you gotta run and don't look back.